Welcome to Crowell Public Library's Mad Scientist STEAM. My name is Tara Torres, librarian by day and mad scientist by night. Today we are going to be making vampire blood lava lamps, monster slime, and last but not least, a puking pumpkin. Let's get ready to conduct some experiments. For today's vampire blood lava lamp experiment, you will need a tall, clear container, oil, about enough to fill this 2/3 of the way full. We use vegetable oil, water, food coloring, and effervescent antacid, otherwise known as Alka-Seltzer. First, we're going to add the oil to our container. So that's about 2/3 of the way full. Okay, next, we're going to take our food coloring and add it to the water. Let's do a couple drops. My food coloring is made with gel, so I might have to stir it just to help it dissolve a bit. Ooh, look at that color. Love it. Okay. Next, we are going to add our water to the oil. What do you think is going to happen? Let's see. Okay, let's take a look. What's going on here? So it looks like the water is on the bottom, and that's because the water is heavier than the oil. Now, for our next part of the experiment, let's see what happens when we add an effervescent antacid tablet to it. Ready for some lava lamp action? Here we go. This experiment is a great example of density. The water atoms and molecules are packed together tighter, resulting in a denser liquid. Pretty cool, huh? What did you notice when we added the effervescent tablet to the mixture? It sunk all the way to the bottom because it was so heavy. But then it combined with the water and it released a gas called carbon dioxide. Those carbon dioxide bubbles took the red colored water all the way up past the oil where it popped at the top, and the water flowed back down. For our next experiment, we will be making monster slime. You will need a large bowl, half a cup of clear glue. For this one, we are using Elmer's. Half a cup of water, food coloring, and glitter, which is completely optional, but who doesn't like glitter? 1/4 teaspoon to 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of saline solution, and a spoon. Alrighty, first we're going to pour our glue into our bowl. Get it all in there. Okay, next we're going to add our water. We're going to take our spoon and we're going to stir. Okay, now for the fun part. We are going to add our color and our glitter. I'm doing green for monster slime. A few drops. Let's do 4. Okay. Let's add some glitter to this. And we're going to stir again. Alrighty. Very sparkly monster slime. Next, we are going to take our baking soda and add it. stir that in. There we go. Line that. This will help to thicken up the slime. Looks good. Okay. And last, we are going to add our saline solution. Now for this part, you're gonna have to get messy. So stir it until it starts to pull away from the edges, and then you're going to knead it with your hands. So I already feel it thickening up a bit. You might need to add more baking soda if it's not thick enough. Okay, ready to get messy. Yeah, it's pretty slimy. So we added a quarter teaspoon more baking soda to this. And as you can see, it's pulling away from the side. That's exactly the texture we want to see. This experiment is a great example of chemistry. When we mix the glue and saline solution together, chemical bonds are formed. This changes the position of the molecules in the glue, creating a chemical reaction and a new substance. For added fun, we can add some Halloween goodies. We can also add some spiders to our slime. Here we go. Add some spiders, there we go, to give it an extra creepy effect. There you have it, monster slime. For our last puking pumpkin experiment, you are going to need a carved pumpkin, 1/4 cup of baking soda, a few squirts of dish soap. This is in case you want a foamier eruption. I say, who doesn't want a foamier eruption? Food coloring, and vinegar. Alrighty. First things first, let's add our baking soda to our pumpkin. Alrighty. Next, add a little bit of the dish soap and just a few squirts worth. Food coloring of your choice. I'm going with green. Let's do 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. All right, one more. 4. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. We're going to have a puking pumpkin. Let's count down. Ready? 1, 2, 3. In this chemistry experiment, the vinegar is a liquid acid and the baking soda is a solid base. When they are combined, they form a new gas called carbon dioxide. Alright friends, thank you so much for watching today. For more mad scientist experiments, check out the library catalog at crowellpubliclibrary.org on our website. You can also give us a call Monday through Friday at 626-300-0777, where a friendly librarian is waiting to help connect you with some fun experiments. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.